starting here, right, we have the larynx. This is the thyroid cartilage, right? Then we have the trachea. See the trachea rings? That's that pin 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3 lobes. So that's right lung, right? Inferior lobe, middle lobe, and superior lobe of the lungs. So you got 1, 2, and 3 pins. And then you have here the heart. So this is going to be the thoracic cavity. So on the heart you have the right ventricle. So I guess we're missing a pin here. The right auricle, left auricle, and left ventricle. Okay. On the other side we have inferior. On this one, inferior and superior lobe. So that's the left lung. And then if we move the heart to the side here, we are going to see the aorta, and we see the pulmonary trunk. Okay, aorta and pulmonary trunk. Okay. So underneath here, all right, we're going to see the esophagus. Okay, so you have the trachea all the way to your lungs, and then after that, the esophagus runs underneath. Esophagus here, and it's going to bypass. This is your diaphragm. The diaphragm is actually the muscle there. Okay, the diaphragm. Oh, I forgot to tell you about this, the pericardium. So if I were to grab this thing and put it here, right, this would be your parietal pericardium, which I'm going to remove here on the side. I guess I'll leave it like that. And then here underneath the diaphragm, right, we have the abdominal cavity, which we have the left and the right lobe of the liver. Right, since this is a fetal pic, we should be able to see the umbilical vein. Okay, once it comes off of the body, we call this part right here the umbilicus. Right, and the umbilicus is going to contain pretty much 2 veins and 1 artery. The veins are the thicker ones, right, and the artery is the thinnest one of the 2. So these are the 2 veins and 1 artery. This one cell, you have the urethra. Let's see where the urethra is. So this is the urethra right here. This one right here is the urethra. Okay. So going back here, right, if you look at the liver, the umbilical vein, and then if you see inside the liver, this is going to be the part of the ductus venosum, right inside. Here you have the small intestines, right? This is going to be part of the large intestine. This will be the descending colon. Here on the bottom, as you can see here on the bottom, that right there is the rectum. Okay, and if you remove the actual small intestine to the side and large intestine, retroperitoneal, you're going to find the kidney, right? So it's gonna be your left kidney, and the ureters are right there. Okay, so both ureters go all the way to the urinary bladder and then go out of the urethra on the outside, right? So this is the urinary bladder. So far so good? Mm-hmm. Okay. I guess I'll pause it, guys. Oh, sorry, no. So if you remove the actual the liver, let's move the liver a little up. So you're gonna see underneath the liver, you're gonna see that there is the spleen, stomach, and duodenum. Okay, so that'll be it. So stomach, duodenum, and your spleen. Okay.